Hi Wagwan, it's Lika J. Thank you for tuning in. This segment of my channel is called Style in Thrift Transformation, where I'll be showing you how to transform all of those old thrift finds into today's modern day wear. Doing that all while still on a budget. So I've been seeing these ripped sweaters trending online and in the stores, so I wanted to do one for myself. I have two red sweaters that I bought in a thrift store and thought I'll use one of them for today's DIY. Once I've laid the sweater onto a flat surface, I'm going to mark exactly where I want to cut the sweater. I'm not even going to worry about drawing a straight line because I do want the ends to be a little bit raggedy. So once I've marked it, then I can go ahead and start the cutting. To get the rips is super easy. All I'm doing is stretching where I cut the sweater, and then eventually it'll start to look raggedy on the ends. You can use a pick out if it makes it easier, but in this case I just use my fingers to stretch it out. Turn the sweater around and do the same to the back of it. This step is optional, but I also wanted to get some rips in the neckline. So to do this, I'm just going to use my scissors and poke a few holes onto the neckline, use my fingers and just rip it out some more. Now we're gonna do the same for the wrist. The sweater is already the shoulders are too long for me, so I did go ahead and cut it off like 1 or 2 inches. This is also optional, but then you can also just pick it up with your fingers to get some rips at the end as well. This DIY is super easy and you don't even have to know how to sew. If you enjoyed today's video, then go ahead and press the thumbs up button and don't forget to share and subscribe. Thank you for watching.